I'm super excited to show you this 2022 Grand Design Transcend 255 FK. This awning is huge. It goes across both of the doorways and you still have plenty of space for your patio furniture or picnic table. You can see that it has this massive pass-through storage, wet bay to hook up all your lines, battery disconnect switch, fully walkable roof. You can not only get up there to service it, but you could even go up there and watch the sunset if you want. All right, so now we're inside the Grand Design Transcend 255 front kitchen. So you'll see here that you do have an ample amount of counter space in this front kitchen, full dinette, which also turns into a bed for any guests that might come along. Very large bathroom. I'm 5'7", and you can see I have about a foot more, so we got plenty of space in this shower. You'll notice that the queen is a true queen, not a camper queen. Of course, you do have a lot of storage underneath the bed as well. Plenty of space to hang your clothes, nice large drawers.